In this video, I am going to show you how to make a music track from FL Studio mobile app. You can download this app from Play Store or App Store and install it on your mobile. After installation, you will see this interface when you open this app. Now let's start making the music track. For that we have to create an empty project first. Here you will be able to see a plus button menu. After touching it, the sub menu will appear on the screen. Here we will create the drum beat first. So I will open the drum sequencer and create the desired beat. This button is for playback. Now we manually set the tempo of the bit we need. We are going to make bits in the graphics box shown above. New bits can be made by touching each box. Now we play this drum kick and listen. In the same way, we are adding other drum kits as well. You can make bits of new styles by touching and looking at different boxes. Before learning to make any music track, you must have general music knowledge. You can create any drum beat you want. Now I'm going to touch plus again and add some percussion instruments. When you select these drum kits, they will all appear in the menu at the bottom, which we can play and check. Tap on the close button, you will see the last clip you made. When you tap on a clip, you can re-edit the clip. Now we copy and paste this clip, from which we create the full drum beat for the whole track. I am going to add more drum kits. Again we copy this clip and paste to make duplicate. Let's play again. We are adding other drum kits as well. Again we copy this clip and paste to make duplicate. We can edit every clip as we want. We again add some other drum kits and instruments by touching the plus button. You can find out which kit it is by playing the piano roll at the bottom. Now you can play and record by touching the record button. Close this window, then we will see the clip that was recorded last time. We can edit clip. Copy and paste clips to increase bar length. Let's play again. The drum beat is done. Now we are going to add an orchestral instruments. On-screen keyboard can be used to play chords. If your mobile supports MIDI device, it is easy to play chords by connecting an external MIDI keyboard. Let's record the instrument by touching the red button. You can edit notes after you recorded instrument. Let's play again. Similarly, we can add many instruments, such as koto, flute, guitar, and many more. Let's record the instrument. Now, I am adding electro square bass. Now you can play and record by touching the record button. In the same way, now we will add other tracks as well. Again, I would like to add flute instrument. Let's record the instrument by touching the red button. You can edit notes after you recorded instrument. Here, I am selecting the all clips and duplicating again. I'm now going to open the volume equalizer here, where we can adjust the volume of the recorded instruments on each track by increasing or decreasing it. After the track is ready, I wanted to increase the tempo. After all the work is done, we can export this track to different audio formats. Choose a format, and then save it with a name. This is how you can make a simple music track from FL Studio mobile app. Thanks for watching the video.